Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Sarah's Art channel. Today I'll be showing you how I create a lot of textures by deliberately shaking my paints and creating different consistency. So the first paint I used was Above the White by Amsterdam, and I shake it vigorously so you can see a lot of bubbles. So I do that on purpose because I want to have a lot of bubbles for the background. And my titanium white is basically mixed with satin animal because I want it to have some soft prose effect as well. So the consistency for the soy milk color is actually very watery and the white is thick. So I'm just gonna play around with different consistency in paints and to see what kind of background I'll get from this. So now I'm just going to tilt it. As you all know, I don't like to tilt my paintings because I don't like to waste paints. I know I say this so often, but sometimes, yeah, I need to, create different type of techniques. So here I am showing you how I stretch out the paints here. And then, yeah, can you look at the cells popping out from the satin animal? There's no floral, no silicone oil in it. And yeah, I love the textures. I think there are a lot of textures here, just that you cannot really see it that well yet. But later I'll zoom in closer for you to have a closer look at it. Now, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe because by doing so, you help me to actually build an audience here, and by this, hopefully, I get to support my art and keep doing arts for you guys to see here on YouTube. So please subscribe. Please follow me on Instagram and Facebook too. I really appreciate that. So thank you. Now, as I've torched the whole thing, more cells are coming out, and there are different cracks from the different consistency of paint. So this is a really nice background. Now, my theme for today is actually two Seadragons. I fell in love with them ever since I saw them in the aquarium. They're beautiful creatures, and thought, yeah, why not? Let's do it. So here I'm just going to fix the background first, and then I'm just going to pour two straight lines of my main colors. So I have here, this is a red mixed with amber, a dark amber, yes. And then I have a raw sienna as well as gold here. So I mix my own special color sometimes because I like it to be different. Now here I have my own blue too that I mix it myself. And then the light turquoise, or yeah, it's turquoise because I mix blue as well as aqua green together. So now I'm just going to blow it here and there, just to mix the paints together. Right. Oh, sorry, you can't see the other side that much. This canvas is about probably 45 centimeters or 40 centimeters by 80 centimeters. So this is just a rough figure. Yeah. So I'm touching it right now to burst all the air bubbles. As you can see, there are a lot of tiny bubbles, which is made deliberately. And then now I'm just going to blow it with my straw to blow out the shape of a sea dragon. One thing about creating detail pour is that you have to picture the object or the animal that you want to paint and then portray it out onto the canvas. When you're blowing, you have to take care of the shape, the composition of it, and the details basically of a certain thing. So for mine, like in this case, it's a sea dragon, so I have to make sure that it looks like a sea dragon. because there are some sea dragons, they're very leafy. So this is a leafy sea dragon. And look at the background, look at the cracks and the waves caused by the satin animal. Is very beautiful. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned for more, and I'll see you again soon. Take care and God bless. Bye.